Hey there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and we just got to Fort Lauderdale. We just got off the plane, so we're going to go down here and get our luggage. And I'll just walk along so that you can see where everything is as we go. I'll just film as we go. Okay, come along.
Need anything?
If you get off the airplane wanting anything. They do have cute things if you needed to get someone a present and you didn't get them just a little something. We came in on Delta Airlines. Our flight was non-stop and it left on time. Well, left a few minutes late because we had somebody that didn't want to wear their mask, but then luckily they decided to wear their mask. But we did get here about 20 minutes or half an hour early. You come down here and you can go outside, or over here is baggage claim to your left. And here's where you can go out for ground transportation as well. So we're just going to go down here and get our luggage. Okay, here is the baggage claim, and we were at baggage claim 2 there. But what I want to tell you is, as you're looking at your baggage claim, you'll see that over here there's the big sign that says ground transportation information. This is Terminal 2. If you go out these doors here, right there, there's doors, and you walk to your right and walk clear down to Terminal 3, go inside, and in the same location in that terminal, behind the ground transportation information, is where the COVID testing place is. That KnowMeHealth.com I told you about. So if you come into any terminal other than 3, just walk down the sidewalk to your right to Terminal 3, or left if you're at a terminal higher than 3, and go right in there, and that's where you're going to get tested. Just wanted to let you know. Right now we're going to go out here, and she said to go outside and look for an E to have the airport shuttle come. So that's what we're going to do. So there's the stairs we came down. And it's just lovely. You walk off and you come into the jetway, and it is warm and humid. It's just lovely. When we left home this morning, it was 20 something. So we just came out this door right here, and here's what you see when you come out the door. And if you were going to have to go to Terminal 3 to get tested, it's just this next terminal down here. You can kind of see it down under there and sticking out here, but you just would walk down there. It doesn't seem that far. And then right here is where you come and get in the line when you want to wait for a hotel shuttle. And once you're out here, you call them. Well, I think we're just going to go ahead and do a cab. So since we want to get a taxi, you just go down here. I'll show you so there's the door we came out of, so you would walk the opposite direction to your left. And see, they have this handy dandy sign here that just says Taxi A. So we're going to head down to A and pick up a taxi there. Okay, so we haven't walked very far at all, and you just get right here to where you can take a taxi. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, it's great.
It's nice and warm here. Oh yeah.
Oh, we just stepped off the jetway and we're like, oh my goodness.
Where you from? You from
Utah.
Salt Lake, Utah.
It was 20 something when we left this morning,
That's
so.
cold for me.
Excited to be here. We haven't been here before. So
Today is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. Do you usually have beautiful days here?
Say again?
Is it usually a beautiful day here?
Usually beautiful.
Is it?
Yeah. But the summer is too hot.
Huh?
Four ships over there.
Are there? Oh yeah, that looks like there's a fire right there. Yeah. That's scary. Here we are. Hilton Garden in Fort Lauderdale Hollywood Airport.
Yeah, they put a photo of what is in there.
Isn't this just beautiful? Nothing like Florida in January. Okay. I was just going to show everybody, I'm sure this is where you eat your breakfast in the morning. And it looks like they have Impossible veggie burgers, just some stuff over here if anybody wants. Yeah, Chateaus. Oh, those are their wines. And then a grilled Franzino or Mahi Mahi with 2 sides for $19.95. So that's convenient if you're here and you wish you would like to have a little bit to eat. Okay, I'll follow you. If you want to come down to the lobby a little, here's a nice little sitting area. There's their pool. So I'll show everybody the pool. It's a nice pool out there. Want me to push the button? I could show you the elevator.
Looks a little. Go ahead.
Alrighty. What's this? Oh, ice and vending is right here. Well, that's nice. So here's where we got off. And then we'll just head down to the room. They've got these nice big hallways. And this one has the same key system like they do in that Hilton LAX like we showed you. And so Gordon will bring the key up on his phone, and then you just hold it over by the door and it unlocks it. Thanks, Lynn. Alrighty. We'll get our luggage in and then I'll show you the room here. Alright, here's our room just as you walk in the door. And I just wanted to show you that right here to the left, there's a closet. And if you need an ironing board and an iron, they've got that. I guess I could open both sides to show you. It's nice they have a little luggage thing. And then when you come right over here, here's the powder room. It's just, it looks a little worn out. You know, like it could use a little bit of attention, but at the same time, I can only imagine how hard it has been for these places with people not traveling quite so much. And so I would be anxious to see them again after things get going. But it's not bad by any means, and it seems very, very clean. It's very nice. And then right here we've got a nice full-length mirror so that before you go out you can make sure you look okay. And then they give you a microwave, and there's a refrigerator right there. See, there's a coffee maker. And then we got the room with the king-size bed since it's just the two of us. And then there's a nice TV right there. And here's the desk with a light. And a nice chair with an ottoman. And this kind of air conditioner is the kind that you have to take care of it over here. They've got a wall unit over there, but it says 64 on it, but it's really not 64 in here. And so be aware that you need to do this. So I'll just show you the view of the room here from this end. So it's not huge, but it's not tiny. It's just fine, especially since we'll just be here for one night. I think it's fine. The other one, we also had looked at the Embassy Suites, but we hadn't heard quite as good of reviews on that one. So that's why we decided to give this a try. And it's kind of sunny. I could try to show you the view out the window later if it's a nice view. And the housekeeping made us a nice little flower with the towel. So that's really nice. But I think this is a nice room. It'll be just fine. It seems like the sun kind of went down suddenly here. It was super bright out the window and then it wasn't. But I just wanted to show you a little bit here out of our window just so that you can get an idea of where we are. I think we go back the direction that we kind of came from the airport to get back towards the cruise port tomorrow. And our taxi here tonight was $24.15. And so that just gives you an idea of how much it would cost to go to these hotels right here that are considered the airport hotels. So there you go. Hi there, it's cruise day this morning and I just wanted to finish letting you know about the hotel. And so like I said last night, it seems like it's just fine. In the end, there were two things that I wasn't crazy about. One, as we were in here a little longer and starting to get ready for bed and everything, I realized it was not quite as clean as I had hoped. And so there's that. And then the other thing is there is the air conditioner unit that I showed you, like heat and air conditioner, and it doesn't ever stop blowing. But I wanted to let you know that. I'm going to just give them some grace here with this though, because I know that the travel industry here took a really big hit with COVID. And I also, if it's anything like where we live, it's really hard to get employees right now. And so I'm just putting that out there. But next time we come, we will be trying a different place. It's not somewhere that I think, oh, I think I'll come back. No, we'll try somewhere else next time. But other than that, it's okay. And so if you have any questions about this hotel though, don't hesitate to put it in the comments. and I will get right back to you. If you haven't subscribed yet, we would love it if you would consider subscribing. And also, if you appreciate this video and just letting you know about the hotel, we would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up. So thank you so much. I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.